falling, dreaming, talking in your sleep. I know you want to cry all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Rumill. Today we're doing another wig review with Nadula Amazon. They sent me over one of their newest Yaki glueless wigs, so let's check it out. Alrighty guys, so let's take a look at this wig. I love the color on it. I'm loving the natural ombre that it has. This is their Chestnut Ombre Yaki straight glueless wig. The lace here is 7x5, and of course it's pre-cut, pre-tinted, pre-bleached. Everything has been done for you. And the inside, it comes with an adjustable strap right here. It also comes with the drawstring, and there's also a comb at the very back of the wig. I have it in the length 24 inches and in the density of 150, and I like that it's thick from roots all the way down to the ends. So far, I'm not experiencing any shedding or having any tangles. I'm able to run my fingers all the way through this wig with no problem, and the wig smells good, so it has been disinfected. First things first, before I actually put this on and go, I do want to customize it just a little bit, starting off with the lace. Although it's been pre-tinted, I do want it to match my skin tone just a little bit more. So what I'm gonna do is go in with my foundation powder. I'm using the Ruby Kisses matte powder foundation in the color 13, and I'm gonna start off by touching up the inside of the lace, and then once I put the wig on, I'm gonna touch up the outside of the lace. And I like to really focus in on the edges because that's what matters the most, in my opinion at least. Okay, so once we do that, I like my wig really tight, so I am going to adjust this band all the way across like so, and then I'm gonna put it on. I currently have my hair braided. I just did these braids maybe around like 4 days ago, so I'm loving the break. And I'm gonna put on my wig cap here. So now what I'm gonna do is just touch up the lace again with my powder, but on top of it. Now what we're gonna do is let the lace marinate underneath this band while we focus on styling the wig. Okay, so first things first, what I'm gonna do is touch up the top of the wig here. It has been sitting in the box, so just to take out that boxy look up top, I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy wax stick and my hot comb.
Alex, Ebbs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us?
Now that we got that all complete, what I'm gonna do now is just go over the hair with a flat iron. Just take out, you know, any dents. So honestly, that took around maybe like 8 minutes to do. It was very, very quick. I literally just touched up pieces. So now that we're done with that, let's go ahead and take this off. Yeah, look at that. It looks so good. So something I like to do after I take the band off, I just like to kind of touch up where the band was sitting. Just like that. I love how natural this wig looks. Anything Yaki texture is just simply my favorite. It looks so good and mimics natural relaxed hair so well. I'm 5'1", so this is my reference on how 24 inches looks on me. I do want to add a few curls to this wig just to see what it looks like.
The sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something?
happy I decided to curl it. Oh my god. Okay guys, so these are the final results. I love this hair so much. It goes with my skin tone so well. Brown skin friendly. I don't have any complaints on this wig, you guys. It's gorgeous. You can wear it straight, you can wear it curly. You could do so many different styles with it if you want, but I'm going to rock a middle part bust down. How could I forget, you guys? She is 100% glueless, okay? So I will have everything about this wig in the description box. Nadula, Amazon, thank you so much for sending over this gorgeous wig. I absolutely love it. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.